In the world of cricket, the highest individual scores vary across different formats and levels of the game. First-class cricket. Brian Lara holds the record for the highest individual score in first-class cricket, amassing 501 not out for Warwickshire against Durham at Edgbaston in 1994. Test cricket. In test matches, Brian Lara also holds the record with an unbeaten 400 runs for the West Indies against England in 2004. One-day internationals. ODI's Rohit Sharma of India scored the highest individual ODI innings with 264 runs against Sri Lanka at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, on November 13, 2014. Cricket World Cup. During the 2015 Cricket World Cup, New Zealand's Martin Guptill scored 237 not out against the West Indies, marking the highest individual score in World Cup history. Minor cricket. In a non-professional match, Indian schoolboy Pranav Dhanawade scored 1,009 not out in 2016, setting a record for the highest individual score in any form of cricket. These remarkable feats highlight the exceptional performances achieved by cricketers across various formats and levels of the game.